Think SEO is just about your Google profile and your website? Well, let me stop you right there. Because in 2025, SEO means search everything optimization. And if you want real leads, not just views, save this video and drop a yup if this is hitting already. Because I'm about to show you how to turn visibility into actual growth for your business. Google isn't just reading your website. It's crawling your Google business profile, your social media posts, captions and audio in your videos, directory listing, reviews, and even how frequently those things happen. And it's not just Google. Your customers are doing the very same thing. And if your info is outdated, inconsistent, or missing across platforms, that's a big nope from Google and potential buyers. Here's the thing, 90% of businesses I audit are breaking trust without even knowing it. It's not just Google search, it's Gemini, ChatGPT, Perplexity. These AI tools are scanning the web, pulling in content from profiles, websites, reviews, and blogs. You want them reading you, quoting your content, citing your brand as the authority. That only happens when your marketing shows up everywhere and says the same story. SEO isn't just for robots anymore. It's for robots and real people who want to trust you enough to click, to call, to convert. Most business owners are optimizing one thing, maybe their website, maybe their Google profile, maybe a few Canva graphics on Instagram. But this is the truth. If it's not all working together, it's not working. That's why I call it search everything optimization. Because to dominate locally, it's not just about doing one thing perfectly, it's about doing the right things consistently. So here's some real mistakes that are costing trust. Your website says one city and your profile says another. Your last Google business profile post was from March. Your Instagram looks like a stock Canva template graveyard. Your videos are just floating text and music, no people, no value, no connection. Business name is stuffed with keywords on Google, but nowhere else. You might still show up for now, but Google's AI is getting smarter and buyers are too. So what wins in 2025? Profiles that match exact business names, websites with clear location plus service statements up top, reviews that say what was done, where, and why it mattered, short form videos with you explaining your work and solving real problems. Social content that matches your voice and shows signs of life. This is about trust, and the more human, consistent, and helpful that you are, the more Google will reward you. I've seen businesses in awful locations rank above flashier competitors just because they're doing this. Posting real content, showing their team, explaining their work, matching info across every single touch point, and giving Google and customers confidence at every single step. And I've seen beautiful storefronts get 0 calls because their website's outdated, their social is a ghost town, and their profile says open 24/7 when they clearly aren't. Here's some real life content examples that will help build trust. Realtors, skip the interest rate updates, give real value. Like what 500K gets you in your city in 2025. Top 3 neighborhoods for young families in your city. What is really like living in your city? Top 10 local restaurants I recommend to my buyers. And the pros and cons of moving to your city. Buyers are searching for this stuff before they call you. And for a restaurant, don't just show food pics, show what's behind the plate. Meet Maria. She's been making our empanadas for 15 years. What our Saturday rush looks like. Behind the scenes, how we prep our most popular dish. Why this dish is always the first sellout and who's behind it. People fall in love with the experience, not just the menu. And for a roofer, show the before, during, and after repairs. Explain what the customer's issue was, how you fixed it, and where. This roof leak in Cocoa Beach started as a tiny drip. We fixed it the same day. What storm damage actually looks like and how to spot it early on. And for a pool cleaner, show the gross algae plus the clear result. What weekly maintenance prevents and why it matters. How long it takes us to flip a green pool. and what we used. Include your face, your voice, talk them through the value. And bonus tip, if your brand doesn't show humans solving problems, sharing stories, and being consistent, you're just blending in. If you're scared to get on camera, I totally get it. But visibility requires effort. And the businesses that win are the ones that show up. Not once, not randomly, but consistently. This is bigger than SEO, you guys. This is your brand. If you're tired of chasing leads with yard signs, ads, or door hangers, maybe it's time to build a business people can actually find. And if you want me to personally audit your presence on Google, your website, your social content, your reviews, all of it, drop in everything in the comments and I'll send you the link to grab my personalized audit plus 90-day strategy. Or if you're more of a DIYer and want to do the right way, comment course and I'll DM you the full breakdown. And hit follow if you're tired of fluff and ready to get found the right way.